we come to the social scientists building at the University of Arizona in Tucson, Arizona. This is a Montgomery hydraulic elevator with EPCO fixtures.
I think it might be traction, actually.
We're about to find out. Let's get our cab view. GL interlock. Montgomery logo. Very nice cab. Vintage. Let's go down to 1. This is traction. A little bit of classic leveling. Let's go up to 4. And the door closes when you push the button. Let's go up. EPCO lantern. And you can hear the motor generator. Classic leveling again. Anyways, here's the 4th floor. Let's go down to 1. It's gonna ring the bell. Let's watch the numbers. Awesome. Capacity 2,500 pounds. Let's go up to 2. Door closed when you push the button. Original indicator, upgraded EPCO lantern with incandescent bulbs. There's your emergency light. And here it goes. And that's it.